Well, that did not go according to plan. Oh, sorry, did I scare you? Well, I didn't have a set plan of like what I was going to say or a script or even just like different points I was going to hit, but I know that is going to be even less according to plan now that I have a little visitor. So we'll see how this goes. My favorite social butterfly is already making noises. He might be making noises throughout this video, but that's okay because some of it is about him. So you may have noticed that it's been a couple months since I have posted a YouTube video, and that's because I had my fourth son, and he came about 7 weeks early. That was rude. While all of my kids have come early, and really with childbearing, you need to expect the unexpected, I definitely was not prepared 2 months ahead of schedule. So unfortunately, I only had videos scheduled out through the first 4 months or so. Now I'm out. So unfortunately, while I do think that really you can do almost anything that you set out to do, I don't think that you can do everything. And I am definitely an example of that. So in the past and even after my twins, I really prioritized my business and my YouTube channel and just education as a whole. I've really enjoyed creating different courses for you, different tutorials, different ways that you can learn more about art and how to make art on your own. And I do still want to continue to do that. I still plan on continuing to do that and coming back to it. But physically, this last pregnancy took a huge toll on my body. I didn't fully recover from having the twins, and so physically I really struggled. My time is limited, and so right now I am choosing physical therapy, to be perfectly blunt, over diving back into work. So I do hope to bring that back sooner rather than later. I was really hoping it would be kind of a seamless transition and you wouldn't even notice that I was gone, except maybe I don't comment as much, but that has not been the case. So hopefully soon we'll be back into it. It's fall, it's fall, we're getting back into kind of a more regular routine. So hopefully that will help with that whole situation. But that is why I'm away. I do have other tutorials planned. Like I said, I had a whole year's worth of tutorials planned and I was very excited to film them. I did have a recent request for a specific butterfly tutorial, so I'm hoping to do that soon, as well as some other wax seal tutorials, probably some drawing things thrown in there because that's my favorite. But I just wanted to let you know what was going on, kind of what happened. It was a wonderful story. Maybe I'll share it sometime. Just what a blessing to have a good, healthy, like a very good delivery. If he was going to be in the NICU, the fact that I could immediately get up, feel great, taking care of him, that was awesome. Yeah, that was great. That was good. That was a huge blessing. We had so many miracles. I happened to know his NICU nurse that first night, and she was a good friend of mine. So when you're worried about your baby and you're crying and you're upset, to have a friend there who can just really support you and love on you during that time, that was huge. So I will share more about that another time. It sounds like we are wrapping up with our available time to film. It was even a little bit shorter than I expected, but I am excited to come back. I just wanted to let you know kind of what was going on.